this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Honda Navi, talking about the base price of $1,800 versus the OTD, or out the door price, that you would expect to pay from your local Honda dealership. We'll be showing you different invoices along with what we paid in order to get the best deal on your brand new Honda Navi. Let's get right into it.
So you see on the Honda's website, it says $1,807 for MSRP. But then after you go to pick up and get your quote, you get a price of $2,800, almost $3,000. So let's break this down. Our dealer wanted to surcharge us $200 for freight, and then another $286 for a dealer prep package. Now, if you go on Honda's website and you look, there is a star next to the MSRP in which states MSRPs exclude tax, license, registration, destination charge, freight surcharge, dealer installed options. Dealer prices may vary. So we knew we could negotiate the dealer prep because the Navi really is pretty much assembled as it is. And then moving on to vehicle tax and inspection fees, we also knew that we didn't want to register our Navi right away. Now keep in mind, every state is different, every state has different taxes, every state has different laws on this. So make sure to check before any of this. Now, the dealer also charges a $149 runner fee for someone to be able to go and get your license plates and all this stuff as well. So we were able to take all this away, including the runner fee. Unfortunately, they would not budge on the documentation fee, even though it's pretty much a nuisance and it's just for them to give you the papers that basically transfer ownership to your vehicle. So all those fees bring down to $2,843.94. Now, our final price was $2,372 out the door. If you look here, we were able to negotiate $100 off the dealer prep because the Navi is pretty much assembled. No taxes, no registration fees, no delivery fees, no ridiculous runner fee. And like I said, we still had to pay that documentation fee. So our out the door price is $2,372.
All right, that's it for now. Make sure you tell us in the comments below what you think of the price out the door of the Honda Navi. Let us know how much you're paying at your dealers. And make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this video and want to see more content on the Honda Navi.